So the next digraph sound we have today is the sound. Okay, your mouth is open and your tongue is touching the top of your mouth. Okay, so so the N and G letter shapes together in a word make the sound. And you'll usually find this sound at the end of words, not always, but usually. Okay, so let's put the sound into some words then. Okay, so our first word is ring. Okay, ring. R-I-N-G. Ring. I am wearing a ring. Okay, R-I-N-G. Ring. Okay, so remember, a digraph sound is when two letters make one sound. So we have two letters making one sound here. Two letters, one sound. Ring. Okay, or the phone will ring is another meaning of this word. Okay, so going on to our next word with the sound in it is strong. Okay, strong. S-T-R-O-N-G. Okay, so here we've got some adjacent consonants. We've got three consonant sounds next to each other. Okay, we've got S, T, and R. Okay, together we need to blend them quickly to make a str sound. Str. Okay, str, str. They are still individual sounds, but we're blending them quickly together. So it's str-o-ng, strong, str-o-ng, strong. I am strong could be a sentence you could have. Strong. Okay, and finally we have another one, a last one, which is triangle. 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 Tr, we've got two adjacent consonants, t and r, make a tr sound. Tr, I, a, o. Triangle. Okay, we have the I here making the I sound. That sometimes happens. Tr, I, a, o. Triangle. Okay, O sound at the end as well. So, how many letters is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 letters. How many sounds? Tr, I, a, o. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sounds. Okay, so let's go through these all again together. Say it at home with me so you're practicing. Ring, r-i-ng, ring. Strong, str-o-ng, strong. And triangle, tr-i-a-ng-o, triangle. Okay, so thank you very much for watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.